Okay, so my name's David Williams and I'm studying a Masters in Construction Management at Coventry University.
Yeah, I really like living here. I mean, my room specifically because it's really huge and it's a step up from living in university, certainly. Because like the best rooms in university, they're still going to be like a single bed sort of deal.
The room it's cosy, it's nice, it's my own area. It's got my own ensuite, so I don't have to use anything communal. And also when I use the shower, I get hot water, so the hot water doesn't run out, which happens in a lot of places too.
In the standard ensuite room, you'd have a shared kitchen.
In the kitchen, you do get your own, obviously, cooking facilities, you get your own storage space, you get your own fridge space, so everything's there for you ready. When you go into one of the kitchens, it gives you perfect views of the canal. On a clear day, you can see quite far up the canal. You can take walks. It's quite a wide path. You can see plenty of people walking, jogging, cycling.
The favorite part of my room is the view. Mine is facing the city side, so I get to see the parish church and everything. And since we're the tallest building around, I think you get to see the view for miles and miles.
So Coventry University, it's around about 10-minute bus ride away. The train station's only around the corner too. So access-wise, it's perfect for me.
Yeah, I like the common room here mostly because it has a pool table right behind me, right? Which is great.
The common room downstairs, it allows you to use Netflix, use Amazon, play pool with the other students. It's got a big 60-inch TV. Also gives you a large area to study if you want to.
When you meet a couple of friends here and you want to have like a meal, this is a great place. Or if you want to just like have a coffee or something, have like a reading break. The couches here. It's actually pretty big, like the biggest common room I've seen so far, yeah.
The laundrette downstairs is opposite the common room. That has 5 or 6 washing machines and dryers, I think.
Right now, while we're doing this, my laundry's in there right now.
CCTV, I've noticed various different areas which have CCTV.
There's a few security cameras around the place, actually quite a few in every room. So you can be sure that nothing funny is going to go down, around you as long as you're in the building.
So the Wi-Fi is on, you can get a signal from anywhere in the building. I've not had no signal anywhere.
Yeah, so far the Wi-Fi has been perfect and it's really fast, like fast enough for you to do anything. Like even if you like want to I don't know, play like games online. It's fast enough for everything that you want to do. I would definitely recommend my friends to live at the Union because, basically for all the reasons that we just talked about, like, the common room, my room itself, all the options you get to pay and whatnot, your laundry is all taken care of, and the location as well.
So I would definitely recommend living at the Union, obviously because I chose it, but
I definitely recommend anyone to live at the Union.